In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Notion desktop app when it's not loading. We've all been there, trying to start up Notion to continue our work or organize our thoughts, only to find it refuses to load. Together, we'll go through a series of steps to troubleshoot this issue and get you back on track as quickly as possible. First, let's start with the simplest solution, restarting the Notion app completely. This may sound basic, but sometimes apps just need a fresh start. Go ahead and fully close Notion. If you're on Windows, you can do this by accessing the Task Manager. Just right-click on the taskbar, select Task Manager, find the Notion app, and click End Task. For Mac users, head to the dock, right-click on the Notion icon, and select Quit. Once it's completely shut down, try reopening it to see if the problem is resolved. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable. Notion, being an online-based application, needs a reliable network to function correctly. Check if your Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable is connected properly. If you are using a VPN, ensure it's not blocking or slowing down your connection to Notion servers. Sometimes simply turning the VPN off can make a difference. Try accessing a few websites to confirm your network stability before restarting Notion. If the first two solutions don't work, we'll delve a little deeper. Let's press the Windows key along with the R key to open the Run dialog box. This command is a powerful tool that can help us manage various aspects of Windows applications. Enter the following into the box: Process App Data % Notion, and hit OK. This will take you to the Notion app data folder where we'll perform some housekeeping. Inside here, locate 3 folders: Cache, GPU Cache, and IndexedDB. These folders store temporary data that Notion uses to enhance performance. However, sometimes they could hold corrupted files. Deleting these folders helps to remove any potential corrupted files that might be causing an issue. Simply select each folder and delete them. Don't worry, Notion will regenerate these files fresh the next time it launches. After clearing out those folders, it's time to restart Notion again. This will give the app a chance to create new cache files, hopefully free of any previous errors. Open up Notion to see if the changes have helped. Finally, it's important to make sure that you're using the latest version of Notion. Updates often provide fixes for bugs as well as improvements. If you're not sure how to do this, head over to the Notion website and check for any available updates. Download and install them to ensure you're running the most current version. By following these steps, you should have your Notion app back to loading smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this troubleshooting guide was helpful. If the issue persists, you might want to reach out to Notion support for further assistance.